Hey, how's it going? As you know, unfortunately, the UKTurks app was blocked on quite a lot of Amazon Firestick devices. So today I'll show you the best alternatives so you could still watch your favorite live TV, movies, and TV shows. And without any further ado, the very first step you gotta take is getting the app code downloader to your Firestick. So if you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course follow me. So firstly, we go to the search bar on your Fire Stick, open it, and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because we still gotta set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we'll have to go to the settings. So let's do it. Click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what we have to do is turn on the developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is locate downloader and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it, and here's the downloader now, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and that's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, open it, and now we are ready to use the downloader on your device. So let's open it up, And here we open this big search bar and start entering the codes to download new apps on your Firestick. The first code is going to be 302390. So it's 302390. That's the first code we are entering. Click on go. And now, while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then this web page will open and you gotta click on download APK right here. And now in a couple of moments the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. But if the download itself doesn't start, you can always click on that click here button to start the download manually. And now the download successfully started for us. Took us only a couple of seconds. Then click install and make sure that the app also gets properly installed to your Fire TV stick device. So just wait a bit and then don't click on open straight away. Instead, it's better to press done, as here you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. Then we have to go to settings one more time, go to My Fire TV, open it, go to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time you have to locate TV Mop Pro and turn that option on. So that's the app which we just downloaded for you, and we turn that option on so the app would be able to update itself. And then let's return back to the list of apps on your device. And here at the bottom, you will finally see this new application, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally open this app. Here it's gonna say that it needs to be updated, so click update, click allow, and just wait until the app gets updated. Click on install right here and wait for a couple of seconds until the process is finished. Then click open and reopen the app one more time. And here I have to blur out my screen as YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels or live events that are available in here, but basically you will be able to use this application for watching live TV stuff. And that's the first app we got for you today, and now let's go back to the loader and we will get also a movie app for your Fire Stick. So go back to downloader now, click on the home button on the left side menu, delete that previous code, and now the next code we'll enter is going to be 59745. So once again, 59745. Click on go, and now just wait a couple of seconds until the download starts. And here you go, the download has started for us. Also takes usually only a couple of seconds to finish. Then click install, and now the app will also be installed to your Fire TV stick. Just like previously, click done and delete the necessary files from your device. And then let's return back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, let me open it. And there's the movie app, which we got for you. Let's put it to the front as well. And now we're gonna open it. And in this app, again, I have to blur out my screen as YouTube doesn't allow me to show you what's going on in here, but you will be able to use this app to watch movies and TV shows. So today you got some amazing alternatives for the UKTurks app on Firestick. Enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.